Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Embarrassment from Inside Out 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the nose. Let's start by drawing a large oval. Then let's hop on top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start by drawing a circular curve up and back down on the top left, and then the same thing on the top right. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a circle. And now let's draw another circle in the center. And color both of these in black. And lastly, let's add one more small circle on the top right. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. On top of each eye, let's draw a wavy line out and down. And then the same thing on top to close it off. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop out and let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a wavy line down and out on both sides. Then for the ends, let's bring it down, curving it out. And then let's curve it down, meeting at the center at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw a curve near the bottom, like this, for the mouth. And now let's hop near the top and let's draw the hair. Let's start inside and let's draw a V shape in between the eyebrows. Then a small wavy line out and back up, and the same on the right. Now let's draw another curved piece down and up. And then curve it down and out to finish off the hair. Lastly, let's draw a piece of hair going up on the top left. Let's draw a curve up and down, and then one more piece next to it. And that's it for the hair. Now top out and let's start drawing the hoodie. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across and bring it behind the hair. Then let's bring it down, following the same shape as the face. And then curve it down, stopping here, leaving a gap in the center. Next, inside the gap we left, let's draw the zipper. Let's start with 2 lines down. Then a line from the top in the center, stopping here. Now to add the end of the zipper, let's draw a line across. Then let's angle it down on both sides. And close off the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw the same shape at the bottom. Now let's hop out and let's draw lines in from both sides. Now that we're done the zipper, let's move out and let's finish drawing the hoodie. Let's start on the sides of the head and let's draw a curve out and curve it all the way back in. Next, we're going to add the hoodie's strings. Inside the top section, next to the zipper, let's draw a circle on both sides. Then starting inside the circle, let's draw a line down on both sides. And now underneath the strings here, we're going to draw the hands. In the center, underneath the zipper, let's draw 2 curves going down. And then from the top, let's curve it out and back down like this. And then a wavy line at the bottom. And then close off each hand with a curve. Lastly, inside, let's draw some curves for the fingers. And that's it for the hands. Now let's start drawing the arms. At the ends of the hands, let's draw a curve at the top and bottom. And then close off the ends. Now to draw the shapes of the arms, let's hop back up to the top and let's draw an angle down on both sides. Then we're going to bring it inwards. And then curve it up towards the hands. Now to finish off the arms, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve from the top of the sleeves. And then one more curve up. Now that we're done the arms, let's move down and let's finish drawing the rest of the body. Underneath the elbows, let's draw an angle down and in. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another curve. Now on top of this line, we're going to draw the pocket. Let's start with a curve up on the left and on the right. And then a curve across the top. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. From the sides, let's draw an angle down and in. And then a curve at the bottom going down. Now top to the center, and we're going to draw a small line down and curve it up on the right. And then underneath, an angle out and down. And then close off the bottom with a wavy line like this. And then another wavy line inside at the bottom. And that's it for the pants. Now let's draw the shoes underneath. For the inside, let's draw a curve down. And then a curve on the outside as well. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. Next, inside, let's add the sole of the shoes with a slightly wavy line at the bottom. And then inside at the front, let's draw a curve across. And then at the ends, let's bring it up. And that's it for embarrassment. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!